Good morning everybody, my name is Jonathan, this is Selena, welcome to Jonathan Explores. Today we are at Nasik, we are at a beautiful place called Bhandardara Dam. As you can see, very scenic place. We drove down to Nasik 3 days ago. We spent 2 days with our friends and on the third day we decided to go and explore places around Nasik. We plan to go to Bhandardara Dam. I know that I haven't released any video in quite a while. That's because I was caught up with work and also we were converting the van into a camper van. So this is the first video we are doing in the monsoon of 2024. So we plan to do quite a bit of videos in the monsoon because I love traveling in the monsoon. And now since we got the car, it's going to be much more convenient and easy for us. We'll be basically staying in the car for the next 2 to 3 days. We'll be living out of the car. So that will be a very interesting experiment for us. So let's start our exploration. We found flat ground over here, so we'll make our breakfast over here before we go to Bhandardara Dam. What do you want to have?
Omelette you can make. What do you want?
Omelette? We'll make just tomato omelette. Just only tomato and chilies. Or we'll put tomato, chili, onion also.
Anything is fine.
And bread with butter. So let's get cracking.
Your coffee?
Coffee we'll make.
Garbage bag and
Last evening we were at Devlali. It's in Nasik district. We went there and we purchased a lot of vegetables and groceries that we need for surviving these 3 days. This is like an experimental kind of 3-day survival challenge, you can say. Challenge for us because we've not done it before in the van. So the plan is we won't be having any food outside. We won't be staying in any hotel outside. I mean, that's the reason why we made the van like this, right? That's the reason why we made a camper van, so that we don't have to spend money outside and live for cheap on the road. So it's all about maintaining a very good budget and low cost during these 3 days. Luckily the weather is fine, otherwise we would have to wait until the weather cleared up before we could start cooking. Nah? And it can change anytime, it can start raining at any time.
yeah, it's been drizzling since morning.
Yeah, it's been drizzling since morning, but it stopped. At the right time it stopped when we had to cook. We'll buy some fruits I love to replace that banana that we finished. If it starts raining now, what we'll do is quickly close up this bag. We'll go sit in front till it stops raining, okay? Lot of flies over here, unfortunately. That's the problem with the monsoons. But what to do? If you want to be adventurous, you can't always be in comfort, right, love? You have to sacrifice your comfort if you want to have fun, if you want to enjoy. Can't have everything.
Make then, bulji pav make.
Guys, change of plan. We're making scrambled egg with bread. Bread as in pav. What do you say? English word for pav is bun. Indian bun. Pav is different from bun. It's not the regular tasting bread. It tastes a little different.
Bun is sweeter.
Yeah. This is not sweet. Yeah, correct.
A loaf.
It tastes. I get like a more yeast kind of taste from pav as well.
Does it need to be charged while it's on? While it's on?
Plug it in. The battery is a little low, but I will charge it. It's on 1 speed. It will go to 5. Click it 5 times. 4 times more if you click once already. Guys, the market that we went to yesterday was very reasonable. Tomato was 20, how much was it? 30 rupees a kilo. 25 rupees a kilo. Tomato. And Bombay rates are 120 rupees a kilo. So the price difference in vegetables and all, not just tomato, all the vegetables were cheap,
no,
right?
but the tomatoes are also different, no?
I mean, they're just smaller variety. I think these are like gouty tomatoes, you can call it. It's very windy day, guys. Extreme winds.
It's nice, but it's pleasant.
Yeah, very nice weather. Very cool weather. Love, we'll put this kothmir somewhere where it won't fly. I'll put it back in this bowl.
Yeah. That's why I gave you the bowl.
It's starting to rain, so I'm wearing my poncho. I mean, it's starting to drizzle, but it might rain heavy as well. We bought this oil dispenser. It's not actually an oil dispenser.
It's a ketchup.
It's a ketchup kind of dispenser, but it works for oil as well. It's very convenient. We bought this from Mr. DIY. So you can just put a little oil like that way. And it's not messy. And yeah, I forgot to tell you one more thing. Is that the oil dispenser, the top of this thing, it clicks on. It clicks into place. So that makes it totally liquid resistant.
Spill proof.
Showed signs of raining earlier, but stopped drizzling also. So that's a good thing. Let it rain after we finish cooking. When we're on the road, let it rain heavily. I don't mind. While we are cooking, it's better if it doesn't rain. I hope it rains very heavily when we are on the road to Bhandardara. You know, love? It'll be fun. On the road. Heavy rain. It should be heavy rain.
While you're in the comfort of the car, I don't mind. Outside it's not fun.
So like I said, this is our first trip staying in the van, where we are like literally living out of the van. It's like a trial and error kind of thing.
Yeah, it's still not very organized, but
Yeah,
we'll
we'll learn from this. This is a learning process. Every trip will get easier from this point onwards. This trip will be the most difficult because we are adjusting, we are organizing our stuff.
Even the wind will be in this direction, I think, no?
You know, wind keeps changing directions. Anytime it will change. This is actually Maharashtrian kind of scrambled egg. I am very fond of this scrambled egg. What about you? Serene also likes it. Yeah, I put.
No, Maharashtra is more tomato.
I don't know. I think so. Guys, it started raining. But no problem. The Eeco has a very nice big tailgate. It protects us from the rain.
We got one advantage of that.
Yeah. And the car is nice and tall, na? So I don't have to bend down like this way or anything. You know, I can stand up straight. I can continue cooking. Beautiful weather. This light rain is fine. That sound you're hearing is somebody washing clothes. Washing it in the river. I mean in the stream, the dam. You know what I mean? In the dam stream.
Sorry.
No problem. We'll buy more eggs, Ala. 6 more eggs we'll buy.
Yeah.
Or we'll first finish it and then we'll buy. Because we have other things to cook also. Potato, no? Nah?
Yeah.
If we buy more eggs, then we'll be just cooking.
only eggs.
Yeah, let it be. Not so butter. I like it. Smells amazing. Let me try it out. Good. Awesome. Super. We finished eating. Selena's already started cleaning up. I'm going to help her clean up. And after this, we'll head to Bhandardara Dam. We are at Bhandardara Dam. The drive to this place was amazing. They've done up the road, you know. I remember coming, I think last year or year before last, the road was so bad. You had to literally go on first and second gear. But now the road is perfect. It's ekdam smooth. Lovely. Enjoyed the drive. Enjoyed. Guys, the wind is very strong over here. It's not raining heavily, but because of the wind, the rain is hurting the skin, you know. Guys, the rain has picked up. Wind has picked up. So we're walking towards the dam gate right now. One of the gates. Actually, there are many gates. These are the second set of gates. I think these gates are closed, love.
Yeah.
See, as you can see, there's no water flowing over there, which means these gates are not opened. This is what the gate looks like, and that's the lake on the other side. And usually when the gate is open, there's like a waterfall over here. Usually when there is heavy rain, and it's rained for many days and weeks, there's water literally overflowing from this place over here in front. All this area is like totally submerged, and there's water flowing over the road. Guys, check out this. I don't know what they're called. They're like spiders, but they have only 4 legs and they are on the surface of the water. Anybody knows, please tell me in the comments what's the name of this insect. Let's take a walk over there to the waterfront. A lot of food stalls over here. You'll get Maggi, corn on the cob, tea, bhajia and all of that. Vada pav, all that you'll get here. बाद में खाएगा.
This side also there is a way, that side also.
Which side do you recommend? Come.
Rocks are better, no, than that.
Just be careful of moss on the rocks.
safe?
Safe. It cannot suddenly flood up and all that way. It's totally safe. If it's like a stream or a river, then suddenly there can be flash floods. But here you cannot have flash floods. There's all moss over here. Be careful.
Yeah,
On the rocks.
but my shoes are good.
Yeah, mine is a problem, no? I think I need to buy some new rain shoes. The city also I'm slipping with these shoes.
Really?
Yeah. I want to tell you something about this place. As some of you know, I have done my schooling in Nasik, and this place is not very far from Nasik. So I have made many trips here with my friends, schoolmates, family friends. That's why I know a little bit more about this place. I can give you some little information. There's boating over here. I don't know the current charges, but it used to be 150 rupees for one small round of the lake. Not the entire lake, but till a certain area. Also, there is this lakeside camping that takes place over here. Earlier, it used to be around 1,200 per head for one night stay. I think dinner was included, breakfast was included. Now, currently in this monsoon season, I am not sure if that takes place. It's getting dark. We've got to go and search for a place to park the van in the night, because today is the first night we're sleeping in the van. We've carried some fruits with us. We've got apples and bananas, so we won't be cooking anything. We'll just eat those fruits and we'll go to sleep in the van tonight. So that will be the end of this vlog, and we'll see you tomorrow in part 2 of this vlog. Tomorrow and day after also we are here. 3 days we are spending over here. Like I said, we are not staying in any hotel or anything. We are staying in our van and we'll be cooking our own food. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Subscribe actually. A lot of you are not subscribed. You all are just watching the video but not subscribing. So please subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.